Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to change your device hostname and network computer name on Ubuntu. First, open your application dash tray, search for Settings, and click directly on the icon to launch the control panel. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the primary options menu sidebar layout on the left and click directly on System. Inside, click on the section block row labeled About. Locate the primary configuration row option sitting right near the top of the interface, explicitly labeled Device Name. Click directly on the device name and type your new preferred network identification string into the text block line and click Apply. Now, if you want to completely lock down your static hostname files across the internal backend configuration using the command line, the terminal process is incredibly clean. Open a terminal window by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T simultaneously on your keyboard. Type the following system control command: sudo hostnamectl set-hostname followed by your new desired name with no spaces and hit enter. Input your administrative system password when prompted to authorize the system file change execution rule. To fully verify that the backend network protocols have updated perfectly, type the check command, hostnamectl, and hit enter. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.